Is Tesla FSD 12.4 the breakthrough we've been waiting for to solve autonomous driving? Today, we're diving into the numbers to find out just how many nines of reliability Tesla FSD has achieved. Bienvenue à l'horizon. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. If you're following the space of autonomous driving, you know that Tesla is far ahead in developing full self-driving technology.
Well, Tesla is far ahead in self-driving cars, but every single car someday will have to have autonomous capability.
What's been the trend of FSD reliability since Tesla started the tech in 2020? What is the reliability of the current version of FSD released to the fleet? Well, let's address those questions. This graph shows the improvement of Tesla FSD V10 through V12. That's for the last 4 years. We're tracking the performance of FSD across these four metrics here. Now, the data source to build these models is from the Tesla FSD Tracker website, where hundreds of beta testers have logged over 140,000 miles of FSD drive. Now, we can see that back in 2020 when FSD 10 was released to the fleet, we see low bars here indicating that there's room for improvement there. And then fast forward to 2022, V11 is released, and we see some improvement across all four metrics. But then in 2024, Tesla abandoned the heuristic C++ code-based paradigm and adopted the neural net and vision-based architecture for FSD to solve FSD. And we see a significant improvement here of all these metrics, specifically for the total number of miles to critical disengagement. We see, and now this improvement here was achieved in just a few months, less than 6 months, compared to the improvement that we see between V10 and V11. So what do you think? Do you think Tesla is on the right path to solve autonomy? Well, drop a comment below and let us know. Here we are capturing the fold improvement of FSD versions. For example, for this metric here, the city miles to critical disengagement, V11 is 5.67 times better than V10, and then V12 is 1.31 times better than V11. So that means that V12 is more than 7 times better than V10. And so we can see right from this slide that for all the metrics here, V12 is a fold improvement of at least greater than 1 over V11. There is an argument that FSD on the highways is just an enhanced version of autopilot, that a better validation metric to measure the performance of FSD should be city driving because of the endless complex scenarios. Do you agree with that argument? Drop a comment below and let us know. And in this plot, we're taking a closer look at the fold improvement of the dot releases of V12. This model here is based on almost 40,000 miles of driven by beta testers from coast to coast here in the US on V12. Now notice the tall bars here across all the metrics. The winner here is clear. It's version 12.3.6. So that's the version of V12 that exhibits the best performance of FSD across all the metrics. For example, for the city miles to critical disengagement, for this metric here, 12.3.6 is 7.5 times better than the initial build of V12, which is 12.2.1. And so there's clearly we see a big improvement here in performance of 12.3.6. Now, Elon Musk posted on X that FSD 12.4 will be 5 to 10 times better than 12.3. Well, when we have the data, we will model it and we'll bring it to you right on this channel, and you'll be the judge of that. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that update. So we've established some facts here. We've established the fact that there've been some improvement in FSD since 2020. and we've established the fact that there's been a noticeably steeper increase in the performance of V12 since Tesla switched to a vision-based architecture to solve FSD. But how about the reliability of FSD? How many nines of reliability has V12 achieved? Well, here we see the reliability of the main branches of FSD, and you can actually see that across all the four metrics, V12 is scoring above 90% for all of them. And the highest score here is for this metric, the miles to critical disengagement. FSD 12 is scoring 99.8%. So there's been tremendous progress on the march of nines, but there's still a lot of room for growth. So based on this model, FSD V12 has achieved 2 nines of reliability. And that's even what we see when we take a closer look at the sub-releases of V12. We see that for 12.3.6, at least for these two metrics here, V12.3.6 is scoring over 99%. So it's clear that V12 is definitely scoring with at least 2 nines of reliability. So what's the takeaway from these findings? First of all, Tesla is the leader in solving autonomous driving, and then there has been some improvement in the performance of FSD over the last 4 years. And then since Tesla adopted the neural net and vision-based architecture to solve FSD, the rate of improvement has been undeniably phenomenal. And also, the reliability of the current version of 12.3.6 is 99.8% at best. So FSD has achieved 2 nines of reliability. And these statistics are based on almost 40,000 miles of FSD 12 driven across the US. So what do you think? How much longer before Tesla solved autonomous driving? Do you think autonomous driving can be solved? How many nines of reliability are needed to solve this problem? Well, we will be here to track the progress of FSD 12.4 right on this channel. So please smash the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that future update on the progress of autonomous driving. Thanks for watching.